alphabet. A. A for apple. Apple मतलब सेब. B. B for ball. Ball means game. C. C for cat. Cat means billy. D. D for dog. Dog means ta. E. E for elephant. Elephant means hathi. F. F for fish. Fish means machli. G. G for grapes. Grapes means angur. H. H for house. House means ghar. I. I for ice cream. J. J for jug. K. K for kite. Kite means patang. L for lion. Lion means शेर. M. For mango. Mango means आम. N. N for nest. Nest means घोंसला. O. O for orange. Orange means संतरा. P. P for parrot. Parrot means तोता. Q. Q for queen. Queen means Rani. R. R for rat. Rat means चूहा. S. S for spoon. Spoon means chammach. T. T for tiger. Tiger means bag. U. U for umbrella. Umbrella means chhata. V. V for van. W for watch. Watch means घड़ी. X. X for Xmas. Xmas tree. Y. Y for York. Z. Z for zebra.
For new videos, please subscribe our channel